Product type. Auto part. Package quantity. 1. Package dimensions. 10.414 cms, L, by 6.604 cms, W, by 1.27 cms, H. Country of origin. Taiwan. Fit type. Universal fit. These 12-volt, clear, heavy-duty bulbs are designed to replace number 3157 bulbs in turn signal, stop and tail lights. They are heavy-duty, offering twice the life of average bulbs. 2 bulbs per pack. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly on my Shore Landr boat trailer. I noticed the brake and turn signal lights weren't working, but these bulbs fixed the problem.